what I like here is yung... So before we start our repotting of our corms, I want to share with you my newest plants na dumating. So we have here the Monstera flamicito. Flamicito. Super nice. Super nice. Yan. What I like here is yung color niya is parang may neon. Green on green. No? Green on green. Neon green. Yeah. Nice. The second plant I got from him, kay Nico din, it's a Monstera King Electrolyte. It's bottom cut. And then, ito na yung new shoots niya. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na yung growth niya. So, again, kaya ako pinili yung plant na to kasi nga, yung variegations niya, yellow, matingkad yung color. Because I really like, neon colors. Ganyan. Share ko na din sa inyo itong Dragon Scale na variegated. Grabe, ang ganda. Yung previous leaf niya. Tapos ito yung bago. So I'm guessing almost full moon na siya. Sobrang on din ng green. Yan. Alright, let's start. I have few corms here na nag-sprout na siya ng leaf. So makikita nyo. Ayan. Lilipat na natin siya sa perlite and fluval stratum. So I have a box here of pre-made already. It's the mixture of 50-50 perlite and fluval stratum. Lalagay ko siya dito sa self-watering pot. Isang base. Then isang yung topper niya. Wick niya. Lagay mo lang dito yung wick. Padaanin mo lang sa mga butas niya. Ayan. So, ganito na siya. You can see, no? Put mo lang siyang ganyan. Then, fill up about an inch or half an inch of perlite and stratum. Alright, so after a few minutes of removing yung moss, ayan na siya. So, stop watering muna. Pag nakita nyong medyo tumulo na sa ilalim, i-fill up yung reservoir niya. Yan. Alright, one down. Okay, so this is our last corm na lipat. So we have total of 6 corms na nag-sprout a new leaf. And I'm excited to see how they will go.